Hi, Theo.
Hi.
Can you tell me what you're doing?
I'm throwing snow.
Are you throwing snow? Are you making snowballs?
Yeah. I like snowman.
Oh, there's Solomon.
I want to take a picture of me.
Yeah, look up here. I'm taking your video of you. What do you think?
Good.
Do you like to play in the snow?
Yeah.
Can you do a snow angel for me?
Okay. Yeah.
Do a snow angel. Oh, move your feet too. There you go, and your arms. Oh, now what? There.
That's a snow angel.
That's a snow angel, you're right.
One snow angel.
Can you make a snowball and throw it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Hi.
Oh, and there's Joseph.
Elsa, look at me.
What are you doing? Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Does Solomon like the snow?
Yeah. We're sprinkling snow on him and he's just walking around and trying to get it off. Okay, now.
Poor Solly. Look at what he has to put up with.
There. There. So clean.
Can you come make a snow angel for me? Why don't you zip your coat up?
Okay,
Here, look up and give me a smile.
can you help me?
Yep.